Hello everyone, this is Cheryl once again from Saladmaster here in Perth, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy chicken green Thai curry. What are the ingredients? 500 grams of chicken thigh, which I cut into pieces. Valcom green Thai curry paste, half of the jar I'm going to use. About 2 tablespoons of fish sauce depending on your taste. About 3 potatoes and 1 onion. And of course, ginger. Marinate first the chicken with the Valcom green Thai curry paste. Put half of the jar. Mix. Then marinate it for 30 minutes and then we'll start cooking. After 30 minutes, we're gonna prepare the curry. Now let's use cone number 5 to cut some potato and onion. So 1 onion. So you don't need to fry the onion. You just put all in. Makes your life easy. Potato. And put the ginger. Then 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Depending on your taste. Then mix it. Now I'm going to put it on medium heat and I'll cook it for 30 minutes. Medium in the beginning. When you hear the click, I'll turn it down to low. Very simple. Once you hear the clicking, just turn it down to low. Halfway through, I'm going to put 100 ml of coconut milk. And then I'll just mix it. After 30 minutes, this is how it looks like. Easy and simple. That's it. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye!